Is your development runtime software pathing failed due to the Libgomp.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. To kick off the manual repair for Libgomp, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This DLL file is the GNU OpenMP implementation for GCC. It provides the essential routines for parallel execution on multi-core processors, allowing C, C++, and Fortran apps to run concurrent tasks efficiently. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The Libgomp.dll is bundled directly with your development runtime software and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling your development runtime software's official installation package is the safest way to restore this dependency. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Libgomp. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Remember that the Libgomp.dll operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If registry clutter or the Libgomp inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. If this fix repaired the Libgomp dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.